na position ni team na yade sha se so mberu mpotemu ayi sa ankofo ni nyina pie na omurewura mu na hwe de je America se South Africa for asem no mu kan no omunifo but the way a man omo acting you know that is where enye obia ote o man bi mu illegally oni nkrata ni se so obia ote o man bi mu oni nkrata what it means ni say controlling the person becomes difficult, tracing the person becomes difficult. Enti se obi awo ho na so oni nkrata na oni nkrata yansuso sa nyamanso because only African country oko Europe ko babia na ni nkrata ye chiwa ye bo, and the Ghana is not exceptional. So the obo man mu na woni nkrata wo so di tena omanimu a na nkrata wu na renew a yesa so saade no so. That's what I'm saying, say yeah, handles the South African case very well. Na mane koye se bedru baabi kofo bi din se hunu oman mu ne e pam obo mbeka se bia ye bi because they two different things. Two different things. So be ni krata na wo bone free mu a there is no problem. You use the proper measure. O use proper measure. Proper measure na ube use any say immigration for na be yo adwuma. No mo yi sankofo ni na free omanim. Enye nkofo bi na ko organize omu no mdi tumi hye omu sem say yempel ti ye you free omamu. Na fe nkofo mu properties yem se omu se omu nkrata na omu ni nkrata na ye pamomu na two. Before you could talk, no crani assassin, broth, abuse, physical attack. That is where we had problem. It's not about sacking someone and I say, or extraditing someone say owning krata no free country. That we don't have problem. To hear difference in here because there be South African countries in also a bimuti omu kromo owning krata when they don't have papers. No more pamomo. It shouldn't be say. Or pamom no every country it makes you a bad person. No, if someone don't have papers and you are extraditing the person or you are sacking the person from your country, it doesn't make you a bad person at all. It doesn't make you a bad person. The only issue that we have is say acquiring the modus operandi, the way a manner operation, you know. And at a point you don't know who has papers or not. Now you're bunko for you abusing people physically. That is the problem. Me come na make say in the side operation you say Ghana hano nkofo bi o ha omu repu nkofo omu trafficking nipa human trafficking ekoso eti for koyo operation no nkofo aye chi wo mu I was a bomb back. 186 suspects. 186. Now, do you know, say, and this 186, and that is between 8th June to 17th June. Emu 86 Ghana for. Emu 4 Togolese. And emu 96 Nigerians. Ghana from Chrome Crown 86. Nigerians are 96. Togolese are 4. Oko Galamsey site na yekase ye operation ahwe omomni documents omu say Ghana nsase ya Togolese egu oni Niger fu egu ho no ebe shock you. So we should handle this with care. Say emedru baby na o pam obi a ebe say South Africa for ye bi na mo ka There are two different things. Obi oni nkrata wo memu nipa ne ye niema or trafficking human. Nipa no ebi repu nkofo ton drugs wo memu. Sa nipa ne pam na emra bi entia. So won nkrata kra na bu omemra so a emra ne ni udi. To me afa meshi etirim say going forward. So obetno memu na udi se hunu na on follow the laws of the land. Na ye pamwa say and South Africa for ye bina ye complaining. No, South Africa for the way and manner and that is the problem. But you can't have 96 Nigerians, 86 Ghanaians, 4 Togolese involved in this act. Human trafficking, drug peddling, armed robbery and all that say any pano or African into umpam. That shouldn't be the case. Tiama other neighboring countries and they say, Obo meimu now bedin se wuru na wa follow amrana yabe pamu. It doesn't make us said yes South Africa for you. We will not have time to beat you, to physically abuse you, but you go. You go. Timama African countries in the fan show team say it looks like we are all against South Africa, so you can move to any African country and misbehave. The laws of every land should be respected. So if you come to any African country and you abuse the law, and that's all you say, you won't follow the law, we will sack you. The only difference is the way and manner and the masses are ye pamomua. We will not even ask so what krata and only krata. But then your drink say, oh, Bargan have a dinkwasi, as I'm now yashes am what na hano. Because say, Abia Case Pamua Bezo, Anana, Wemu Yebi, Yakokai, Wem, Shak. Yan fancy Tilmusa. Cause ya were young African countries in Biomuko Africa, their neighboring African countries, and say, Wuna ya de to the Biomudia net time. And say, Wuna, aya omudi. Trafficking ni pako fanko fo bebo base ya bra. Kronu bia uomu an element of sa country ni wom. Gambling and all that ube wom. Rape case any other ube to omudi wom. Na te o say because say oye neighboring African ti mayam pamu. There is a joke. Obeko we will sack you. But we will not do it in that Rambo style. But you go. So if a person kwatna any African country, now person tina honye ju tuma, you should follow the laws of the country. Na ya de yom now. Where special change be. Tiaman kwafo yo ma say say nyina fight dia, kwafo take advantage ano mu ro maimu. Ultimate raw memu medin kwasi asem me raw memu abra oni nkrata abeko. You make it that clear, and that decision, we should take that decision, a bold decision on that. We would not abuse anyone. Young family and share some citizen would be chasing other African country. But if you come to any African countries and you don't follow the laws, don't think say we all been fighting against what South Africa did, so you are going to misbehave and stay in any African country. You will go. If you find the laws of any African countries, you will go through a proper medium. But we will not assault you, we will not abuse you physically. And because people want to take advantage of this and move to other African countries and misbehave, because when you misbehave, you think people will talk again, say you did the same when South Africa was doing that, you were complaining, so why are you doing the same? You will go in a nice and professional diplomatic way. So don't put in that your coconut head that you are going to any African country and misbehave. 96 4 Togolese, 96 Nigerians, child trafficking, human trafficking, rape cases, and other social vices. That's the best one. Kwasi Asemso. That's the best one. Kwasi Asemso. You guys should be there, and then you should misbehave. Now, I say we buy na menya man say me can be, but as a take center stage. A take center stage. Kaswa NDC for my men kasam chiramu. Hwɛ power is transient. Me kasam chiramu. There are people who are missing sika. They shouldn't be leaders. Our main. I wish that generation eba na ya adwe mu be bie ne ani abie. Ache die hu say. Na ya pe nyansafo dan sabi agimifo emmoa sabi o madani nipa. Omu disike to leadership. Emmoa sabi so madani nipa omu prili disika atuto to me o matuto to me. Na wo ye nipa na sabi mpreduasa. Oma sabi in quote. Sa aboa bi di ne sika bedadaw no obedi so a wankasa ho ye den. So it begins from the grass root. It begins from you can say not even constituency, polling station executives to constituency sa basoro. Now be will be a chairman because say wakwa brocha go peska kakraba no aba be trade skania man leadership. Meanwhile obi o hodma munim se nipa no capable adwuma bie when it comes to leadership nipa ne wo. Na mato ababo obi a wakwa brocha na waye adwuma nyeska kakra na nyansa bia ni team oni leadership qualities bia and he talk rubbish trash baby ano kasa bia. I require that person a chairman. Kasa anyhow. Kasa anyhow. Said you take kasa by heart. Na modia monyina ho na modia mamun control. Na sa suban na MPP ya no mutifia. Omunim da ombeba. Iso omu hihye omudi omaye no. Monye na mbo se Ghana for no sabi yenso nsenhunu so. Na we na ana oba maame no obai ana me kura ana me girlfriend no ana hwa we are no abeka say doctor na me kura ana me girlfriend no ana me neto ana mare no ana kwasia kekasa ana ai kaso MP no kura no ya bre no slot no de amani kunu ana ni kunu ko World Cup ibi ana mo expose me ho ama obia wo se chairman bia ya man slot boma obia wo se president ma chairman bia slot according to moi constituency bia ma slot some fan ko World Cup no it is asem na yam first can sponsor obia ma ne ko World Cup ya tro because mama ya wo se mo chairman for obia slot at least yenim kra no de mo de aba no de aka yenim dia aka ni yenim baba me hu se mo obi a slot it is a tro na yam for taxpayers money and sponsor no our hin by your sponsor your party chairman for constituency chairman for na mo te ona mo di se hunu na mo expose mo ho aw kaswa ada dia na chairman dia yaw ana chairman slot kra wa fa ma dia akoma okunu ana kaso MP o dia mani kunu yehu ni kunu kra e TV so picture na ebe mu ha mo dia mo sa benkwan se enkra mono ma benkwan se enkra wati say COVID-19 ba ya obi beka se sika no ye de bi ma chairman bia no kra dia onyan Ghana for bufu ya to abeti a MPP no montena na monko slot ho montena na monko slot ho what now I say you can take Ghanaians for a ride ana the entire farmer chairman that time so gina phone say hi me na me girlfriend na me reno na me what is going on me say tape no kura me ntimi mo me fere kura me fere ya ka so ye chairman I don't know what it entails o kasa o phone so kura just said no security concern with such portfolio you think you can talk on phone just like that? No, be the pay wasem. Obi the pay wasem. Then we are bejino baba when you say adopted. Obi the pay wasem. Now a chairman ya. Hwɛ. Chachu chikata kan yo the standard mo bad no ma mo fa ma fom. Eno na ma sha ase de ba fom. Se muni mu a. Mo to na mo tonton slot ma mo chairman ni mo constituency chairman for. Ana mo to constituency sign here war Ghana ha and look at nkofo ya mo sponsoring them with taxpayers money. Meanwhile what catch say taxpayer money be the wa. You are the best sponsor will be for World Cup. But by all your own people. I don't know can. The constituency be a slot. What it? Constituency be a slot. Efra bank same na ba according to mo amukofo to my near trust in your bunisa ebeboa me say any pension nyansam free dia bada. We don't learn things, we don't learn sense from precedent. We don't just say otwe crown tiase obi ameka te COVID-19 sika ye ma chamanfo bi e ma say Ghana for say sa ana modis kan ye emra ye nyina ye wan kire ana mko ye sa no bufu ye na wo we are in a situation that say kura ya to kan ya bo ma 1st July ye dwen wa ya nwunwi na mo te kaso ho ana NDC fo se hunu ana mumu biidi na mumu biidi. You should call these people to order. What? You should call these people to Oba and you are saying this about there boldly. Just found cast anyhow. Say I'm again and I'm a winner. And so what? But the most are Ben Quine Senkra. The bear must say is you know. Most are Ben Quine Senkra and before whom your mashe. You see, we don't joke with power. You don't take your people for a ride. Yanya sa. Party. I got a pair matching.
Very major so.
Nowผมto say.
Obini anyakra. Anyakra.
Yeah, very fine.
Anyakra.
That all yare.
Ede nyame.
Kurubi o Ashanti Virgin here.
Ede nyame. Ede nyame.
Na mia na bedan na kwa mo be anything.
Nyame ne edan. Se yade na sha se free adwene mu. And this yes. Emotionally, ni mentally, onye fit oyale.
Inya effect kula physical.
Oh yes. Oyale. Ngadi enchima. Ave factory. Ave factory pedi na onso e.
Pa me said your kind, me dey me twiri nyame. I say o twiri nyame. Dey o dey nyame.
Yes. Ametiase.
If you are fine.
Ametiase.
You want to dey born wadre.
Amencha fresh alutre. I was saying ganjo zero.
Fresh apreku alutre.
Also betu no kumase.
Na ametiase. Brand new. Alutre alozame done from the indent of my heart.
Also betu no kumase. O koso ma fo betu no kumase.
Na ametiase.
Still abenganjo also betu no kumase.
Wajai
hosa.
Na kupo say kami nyamu nyanka.
Oh, Charlie.
Kami nyamu nyanka.
Amini ya boafo.
Ereso.
Obedi abrowa ho.
Ne ho ya pa.
Da ba de na se. Amini ya boafo.
To abrowa ho ya de.
Oh yes. Oh, and now free yeah. It is said to say we are not fee. Bill need the
and they send your call. It
is said to say didn't come most 3 hours in a bill.
Yeah, Billy Andrews are missing. Can you be careful?
Hey, Daisy.
Yeah,
Daisy, I'm in for.
All right, why me on a commando dosso? Ya reramwa, that was got some more kind of papa no. Yes, penny ni or abachari. Wabachari. Or say 2024 defeat or defeat MPP no. It's also founding ideas no. Ghana for asomu pa ni hiamu pa the principles our birthday NDC. So also that ECOWAS also the Mami Chief Justice former Gertrude Araba Tukono and so case no ma dismissing na nako so de concern any niamo mo after senior high school say indiscipline and a link trend to a year you can say a bad new bonnet fa a woman. Our parents for not when you area.
First of all, Mammy was an pay for this great opportunity. Maybe so I mean for Asida Kessian Suma Yatifo ne Yashafo or more Omuti 93.1 Yadomasi Yachiom so almost on Facebook 93.1 live Yachiom Edomasi and a YouTube and so Sompa TV also Yadomasi Yani so say this very morning and so my journey and Ghana Hong Komono Yani mu baby bubu huni edi ho enkomo. Openi enra na nka me say me di sa nkomo but ma me ni kan famfam ansa na matoa so. Openi in as much as yi na ye do Ghana na ye pese Ghana e progressing in this World Cup no. Me special appeal na me de Ghana Police Service. We dey mesre me pacho. Enka da bia Ghana be bo game bia no. IGP in deploy police service na nka omunra kurom kakra. Ko munyina jina kurom kakra. Na yenhwe ne maintain motor traffic ni road traffic no ne celebration se de siginsemu no. Openi enano die ya ye board draw no.
Yeah.
Openi biti pragia mu senkrante no mu kutawo sede no mu kutawo. Na pragiane ko ha hwiri na seka no enam kota no so saa na epaja na wensu mutu no atwi no adane sei no wrese na kan so no afi o masaso sei obeni their life matters se bi o mu fi so mo nkwa na ehia Ghana ehia yen ehia yen ti
o dia onko ehia en say ye kwan.
Yes.
Yes,
because the omo ye no Kwame ebetumi result to say ebekọ akoka obi a ogina nchen baby kra onfa ho no nye part of that celebration. Ubo so oye yesa na power no de akobo obi foforo no apira no. No akopa asema ma no.
That's the issue.
And how no celebration no nipa no pega moto no kom oto from asa okọ owu. Ani je na nwie peyo. That's not how we celebrate. That's not how we enjoy. Until I pay special appeal na medema Ghana Police Service. Senka Ghana ebe bo game. Yen deploy police for no munyina. Se Ghana lusu bi ani enanka omunyina no omoko. Ba Ghana twibro ananse or win Ghana qualifier. This third game no kra na be serious no. Gomo mo munyina gina kwan no vantage places. Kia bowie ya di yani beji ya gina baku mienu yigina bonkoma ya seresire ayi but to the extent that you be use motor you be use pragia you be use car na we mu asecheka no ni ayi etia pie nchen ha sei na car ne da na ho hwiu e kwan no so nyam nko am dia ya pa mo wacho e po mo wacho obaji wani a ka obeni dia na efesenka Ghana we dia wi no apeba wi atena obeni anije be na wo mu che no
anije be ne wo
anigye mempa na bomu che no ope ba bia tena obeni na bia anigye a obeji waje wadodwo ho be ye ohufi a waye ohufi uwi a wasori akwakoda
be ohufi ni zufiri
uwi a wasori boko wakura udem no wada but a kwan no so de ndia no ya yede tie pagana police service a chow senko mbitumi aye sa exercise ya was the rate at which ye probinum ebi hwere omo nkwa ano ode enano die ya ebisiye ebisiye nano die ya ebisiye ye po mo acho na fi so wo mo tutu ne maye na ye hu se ye siko obeni mame nkɔhwɛ chachuchi kata ensemo di tuja said the ideals of the NDC and a namsoma 2024 election were more early. Yesterday we spoke about it. Iremu amaye namsukra dia futu nso de map a political parties ahodwa and a up and coming politicians or more ba. Yes. Party bia one ideals. Party bia one vision. Party bia one ne motto. Party bia one believe. Nene nioma or feel says ye the to me the manner of abe ye aboa o mine. But then it befalls on party and mano. It befalls on the practices of party mano ever practicing that ideals no. Neno atumia send message no eno atumia send message say ampa party way ye nyina so ye botaye ye niso ade hu no enie and time as a party no aniso ade hu no openi ebetumia ye effective na adimu pa ye brenso a owotumi ebra owotumi no na wose wo maye hu usu ne wo ban wujidie ene wo niso adi hu na ekutaw se wo opposition na eho ona opesi ehunu se wo vision ni wo ideals ni wo niema gugu akwan mu ni a openi to me I do not trust that but if say ideals no omo feel say eno de omo ba power because na ban bia wote akunwa so when to me to na mo sefata na beto Ghana for akoma so na ye ni Ghana for epe enunti ye de mo ba. This is the great opportunity for the NDC party to exhibit saniemana ekuta omo ni nhunu se ampa eno na Ghana for gina so de mo ba ye na eno so na mo ba ba be da na didi a kire Ghana for na Ghana for anya hotoso ni gidie ewo momo. You have no other way to exhibit than this time round. And when you are quino, you are meant to be fast or exhibited actually. Some more ideals near, more policies near, more near more a gua quemo a me, Muhammad Adin from Chile. That probity and accountability, no, this is the time. Because this is the time you have power. This is the time the resources of the country is in your hands. This is the time you are managing the affairs of the country. This is the time on mining anibaswo or mining nkanko or mining yedie ehyemonsa. Si ebeko yanimu a ejinamoso, si ebebe echi a ejinamoso because ye tumi no ye de ni nyina de abremo se menye munkuta munfa mijuma. And it is a more ideals be a movie say Ghana for you to mo ba ye dia. This is the time. This is the time. Yempe nkoso amamu bia. Yempe excuses bia. Yempe ena NPP bi. Nti wo nso wo ye bia wo de no be equalize na dey justify wo there be. There ye pen say ye di wotum ye di adi ye de waba beye ma ye hwe beye na ye ni yie. That's all. And these great men when they speak utia utumu say wo mu bube e kanyan sasem de afutuo e tatuo tina mpenifo ya omo come asem say obanyansafo ye bunube ye nka nasem nti wabu NDC party no, excuse me, NDC party no wabu omobe. It is a what ba. This is the time you have to take sa and senro kaye na ebia wo feel say brofo no be gina ho kaye say wonte ase na monte ase a monkwa ne na ase biem na momma no nkyira mo ase senti oka sa ne de okaye no de akire, because there's no harm in asking. Nipa bia opese wo sua de no hunu ade no hunu de oye no and at time bia obisa questions. Because when you ask questions, that's where you get answers and you understand more. If you don't understand, ask a question. I feel what you say, I don't want to do. So the NDC, womu wa sudie kese pa, ede magana fo. Not just say womu ye party, but just say womu lady or mine. I don't need sudie ne kuta omano. Eti me de papa na kae no me dem ya adwen 100%. Na me ditu mu nso say they shouldn't veer from that ideals no. And womo na womo ye politics ni nchen no mo kasa fi kasa tan because say womo ankasa one. First of all, permission say vi say one womo mu omo oni ni persuni ni pa ban a oye enti o mu ne ho emunti wo ba bonten kasa gen kakasa fi kakasa tan sa na ensem bia otumi ba bonten beka wo so peni no kwasem ne say sa woti asase su na bu ho a o be kasa o be we wonsem na be pia firi wano aba o be hesa asem yi a me ba be kan esefata no na esefata me na saying na eba bonten a manfo be si afa abuni afa. But se wo mu ho a de beba wutirimu bia no ebe pia firi wano. De tosu mienu wo mo mu yen Ghana for amu kokromoti na ye de amomo. The reason ti omo kasa gen sa wo mo amu ye because omo hunu say oh ye nya bia ba bia mfa ye ti nkose ye mo nya obi amfa ye kokromoti mfa momo. And the more irrespective of what Bacassa tan or Bacassa fee, ni bua muhunano, and the idea to me no near mine, the Ababa Showmansa. Ain't he unrespecting and respecting party penny for and respecting the president? Nti Wabosoria Cassa fee, Cassa tan Cassa and some fatase penny mubekau. Cassa anka way above Frane Bacania Tiano near Chenasono. Penimu na akokasa asebui eno ntina the last time bi openi se obekaya me no video ma me say nke to dan kampanifo no bi kasa enkwada no ye rebuke omo anka we should rebuke them in a hard way, because if we do that ebe kano ebe mana akwa dwene ho nto but say the young penimu na rebuke na obefa no say normal. After all, you go into a card, Charlie and Yeshi. But say on Yabo Frebi now, but Frebi Canyon Sassam. A Kamikasa Bine, piano de Pimna. Or bet you know who say, I'm a gummy when you must sepa. So if they respect themselves and they respect their party, they respect vote na Ghana for a day more mona. Or Mobile Tino Mobacasa or Major. And the meti ye the free kaswa hono no. I was like Charlie. We to say ebia wakofa careful bu ba bi na ebia wasese bibia no na ohunu de onye no ho na asensem ni pie free na no no kana basa tantan is because under normal circumstance a reasonable and a rational being obe calculating nsem be free na no. A free no bounce over head in 70 years, no can say yes, fata. No one can boom be arasa. Opening my fair horns in a mere ye may get to Tokono.
Yeah.
I shall say no, I said, if justice demand it, let's allow the process to flow. But if it is the will of politics there, we must rise against that. and we must speak against that. And there were exhaustive processes in the ECOWAS court. Meaning the next line of action obesan take it. Meaning the next line of action obepese obesan ayusu. But it is beautiful to test the law. It is beautiful to contest some things when you do not understand. And it is beautiful to get clarifications to some things. Nti baby akwa ne de ECOWAS for mo ruling so obodi aba abontin me meka say to me de meka say eya anisa, and to me de meka say somehow we cannot use or we cannot say ebia politics is attached, because baby akwa kopie ne baby akwa koduru ne anu ye aba no na che say emrana na eyeden ekasa. And I remember saying and say a toda bonin kiti bia openi ya efi say no ma no, so obi mpewasema obetumi yusu sa bonin no dia tian which emremu nipa no right, but e bia si eba ensem ba ku mienu bi mu na ye kase ye yusu politics dia ye betumi akase politics nti na nipa no etu anamo no. And so politicians, they should be careful. The woye nda ofi se enye bone no ochire bi emra no eye bone etia no the obi ya eye normal no ochire bi ye betumi yusu dia tia.
Same thing.
So be very careful, be very cautious. Na wuni say the woye no na mo na wutu no. So ochire ye kasa ye di tia wa, are you ready to accept?
Okwasia no se yene no enye ni ye.
Yes. And this should be a great advice to all politicians. And can come on NDC mono. Now, woman mindful so mana muntu emuntu neno. Eya no muntu esefata na enam ne kwan so. Because the obia ya no we wuti anye ye wo koya onko ade ebehu se yebone. Because ya nya lawyers ni learned kofo baba be kasa say we there and we could have let go, but say obi say ompe wasem no say wasa. Indeed, this should be a lesson to all politicians on mutie. This should be a great lesson. Said there's a power ya criteria towards the CAE. Said the binumo ya na ya normal no. Se wo koya uti anyi na se wa anye lucky a onko ade mra ne betia se mra ne tia wa jitu menye dede na ti ase se ukotu anamo no na ese fata na utu ya na ensem fata. That's all. This case should be a prime example for politicians. You know, no mun sia bribi mfam film. Say o tu kwan and o ye den and a sika bi and na den nkenya sembia, but yesem brani mu e asem and ye dia tia no nti won so emrani mu anamo na wutu sesi ano hwe say ye kase ye de ba betia wa obeji atum na me kase politics nti ana ase say na sitie. Let's do that. The clean off.
All right.
Now to the narcotics. Anybody the opinion? Hala katala ta. Say the abuse bibi honum no. Abuo.
So many formulas number.
Abuo.
Say can you be un say we enya obi shem. Say nya ne share no
David.
Formulas bibi.
David. Formulas no dey doso. Doso. Na me dey enke betumi attack sa ne maya. Ke sha se mfam free basics no. Ye sha se mfam free basics no. Ya no ye di bedi nkomo na ekwa akire na obi ti bebi no say ene ebremi bie ene me krabi ene efa bi ma na me sa na edoso ene se mi ha mani na me nka openi netumi aka say Ghana maburu no out of 100 no openi metumi aka say mu 60 eye no boni sem
zin sura ebeka mabunu de se dia anu adi
obeni metumi aka
abaye ade ase normal ma wo
obeni ebi tumi fakora de koru asori dem enye nsa o enubone ofa ansakra na wakwa asori na okwa asa de ne honhom besi asori asa obesi asa
odi aboti kama
me de obeye wasori de be ka sa anointing na ene afa no be ka sa honhom me wura mi enioma de ne ye djuma wasori fie ho ma enya dikuma enioma de ne ye djuma wasori de mu ho ma enya dikuma and enya maguru no nkro obeni periforo bi zo ye
akrabone na
penny ho because so oya akrabone no de begini be penny body womo ye na de ye me jane so penny mami fa we mfam periforo omochi mabunu no so omo ye no body no kwame no ranso yo wọ́n mabunu ya nso na eyo openi
agencies krom go chum bebre
openi
allegations e won say bebre na obiakunni obi akwache na o allegations na asemo ye ne mu ana ehe so easy but eno na ma etoda won say eye mabunu bi ya agbonu say no mo ti atwea no because ye ni mo say wo ye bi ye ni mo say asimasi na supply o but what wa down ho e ba ba chi binom obi won say the identity no ono ne de re akata so because o to me no e na wo de no de o de ba ba chi equity must come with what clean hands nti se ho se wo pese ade we enye wo sori atia me wu se wanga sakra no ade no ebi kram fore ebi kram matabata ho batade mu wa mu kra no wo mu hia kra yese wo kra de wo ye kra che wo mo nso wia atamtu de asi wo so na wo kwoti o mo nso akwan ade o mefa so no nye the first of all wo mo service no mo no wo mo live that exemplary life to kwa kwachi safu ya no mo nso okay odi e me hote ne wo down so nti o chime o se fata se o chime but wo ba be chime ko bi kro peni odi kan ye bi kro ansa na wo de kokwan so ebi ni kan ye bi di kokwan so kanka na dofo no bebere
wo mo di kan ye ansa kwa no mo de akokwan so
na danenum
yes
danenum
yes
ano di odi
yes
no bubom
openi no kwasem enti etoda o mu behaviors ni bi no ugino ho awo nti ase se na asibasi ya na wo tu sa na mo yes ana e mai enti ase nim because kakra bi wam kakra bi shenche honom kakra bi tachire careful no mu honom akoye bibi ansa na wo ba be call out ansa kura na omo wa be ko petrol ti very yesremo as much as say kasade atia say nsem fata enye na essay mabunu no momi ehunu se kwan we ne efa so fight no say yes ye be legalize no so at least yemfa me yes nto kwan mu kwan be fa so use no
abe ha dwen
kwan be fa so use no
ebia kroma ya na nkete krachi
akete krachi
dem ga say is a prison officer
yes
wa bobo aden krom
o de ko mo bi we inside ani
because of no opportunity so be room
so the come be inside
time one person room there
and he gets paid
mass ning
mass
na da ko there we be come no waya
oh yes waya na say we there as a akoso some you be there man the other you na say better tell no
we there be kan
we there
no be come at tip of na pa
so what you say
that officer mu awoni mra
omo ankasa kra 8
krum adi akọ
omo ankasa 8 o ko no we o ko nya no we ka first of all kra ba bia odi free ye kra nka wo kra na odi kan ya arrest so wa ankasa kra wa ko jide kwa ko mo inside nti wo mo ko no inside na fe wo mo di prepare mo ho di ye mo ho bone you see and it is because they get paid na sika yin so abo sika yin so di obetumi ya wa azasi so di obeni eja yizo abo sika Otumi ankasa. Na me sure Christ opinion or your home. Abosika spirit.
All right.
Because you to me already are no day. I mean that's it.
Anopai ba men come for Roman father ne drone mount. Father Martin say ba mixture. Say ba say why titriti. Stroke ane hawo. Ohonam ayomre. Ohonam etutu. Ya ohonam tutu oni ya ohonam mre ewo ho. Ana say o yade aye kwankro. Pressure how. High blood pressure no how. Diabetes no how. Mesel do here ye Roman father ne drone. Roman father ne drone. Roman father ne drone. Father Martin say ba Mr. Na me come for the amount. Ya de bia ya kwankro. O de no Roman father ne drone ne hwedi besi. 0247 919 122 0247 919 122. Pharmacy shop, drug store, herbal shop bia ebi elho anope ko ne kwaje de na onso etimi ebubo 0552668517 eye Roman father nedro no anope ma onyoma munye hwam na eni ensign ente ekwan be na abefa so wasi nyoma no baako mienu wadru ba bia be samfuno mu samfuno water no enso na ade samfuno mu no te comfort ni bigum they say comfort ni any sachet a affordable bi etimito they say ni sachet na aba sachet eye move obi am say comfort the worldwide we are seeing na yensu unya move ni bia eye sachet ote ano na ade gu enso da be samfuno moa mo yusu washing machine ye wo ba bia ya kala ho bi tai blue pa te comfort no na fagu ho na enwoma ni si eno abefa na comfort ni maniama ni mu ayehwam no ema eni nso ate crystal clear ti ukoyi atade na ase atade mu no say laundry for no eno no mato aguso mu to cause client ni ba na wa nyusu comforter obedwalai saa so na ya wo foforo no daddy ukofi a de tobi koma mami na onfa nwunso nim na onfa nsamforo nkwada ne nwom nufuo na agim ni nyina ba dwane one time eye comfort after wash eno ana no pe me comfort edi amaw obe samforo nwom mu a ani adigum nwom anim be hwam na ni ate Unilever Ghana Limited woni ama pani bi yenyina nim Unilever so mu nwom de beba bia eye standardized e was soro out him say yes a boy juma anopai tago herbal mixture and then the capsules Mr. or erectile misfunction impotence na bema abo low libido oba bema atinka ana wontie wo de order hotete boti hwe emfa bibia enkekensi so unya tago herbal mixture and then the capsules anopai eno ana make am for the amount infections ana adokore oba bema wanhwa wanya asem kopeta go ni bi 0243 228296 drugstore pharmacy shop herbal shop bia benya bi 0243 228296 the almighty 21st clinic aye clinica odin hu gina brani 21st clinic aye kotokura odo hu bona waya huma odo hu bona okotokro nka ewiemu da anope wote ho yede yes kope 21st clinic echira kwan yade be na ada so a wako a enkro bowra ho ye wo doctors o ma bene ye wo nurses o ma pa bene sa enso so ane ye wo paramedics o mugu o mu ye very good health care professionals ankasa enti sa wo dia wo ba na se wo so yade ne ye hwehwe mu a ye wo laboratory service wa ye wo biochemist wa o mbe hwehwe mu edi amawo sa enso so ana ebase yen scania ye wo sonographers ho a part mo omugu on ma ombe sonographic kama edi amawo fe baby ade ne hye wo yam body no mbe yi apie na ka che se ade ne eyewei ansa kra na doctor ama woduro oto ho eye den sa enso so na o se massage wo ho no ye wo se sciatica na how the sciatica expert obia nim se Ghana de ka sciatica de ba wa adwenim 21st clinic enti ade na usisi echi ho no etwenwa besu 19 na wamna a problem amount the 21st clinic the sciatica expert yade bia ye hwe de den so sciatica ne de udura security crowd bebo because ya very map be mu ya research ehun de wo mu nyina ya crowd ya ma amanfo say ya de we ye friend sciatica yes ye na ye nhwehwemu ekofa anu aduru baaye na sciatica no ye treat wa e kire say ya de kese bi ba bebo enti weni yi ni ti a no waso ano ansa na ya de kese na bebu agwadam sciatica ye ya de boni eye ade e kire say ya de boni ankasa na eba so ano ntem na abeso ano 21st clinic oba ye wo ho anu aduro ho na ye wo mfidi a ye de be massage watwetwe ntirinim kama sanso na ana ewo enkofo a omo hono ma omo betwetwe emiamiade omo nsa ewurawura mu aya odioma ama on say yes oho ato na unya ba wo de nya abotre trust the process kakra ye massage ye ma gina mfidie ni bi so na afei ye de yensa twetwe ntini no ehhehye ne ma no ho abonsa afei ho ato eye 21st clinic the sciatica expert ye over 15 branches na momhwenie offer numbers you fra your call center no de bia ya homa ni suso offer manager Daniel ne team ni befa no match so o wa ha o ene kwa ha ben o wa ha o kwa ha eye 0540 311311 050 311311 0249 311311 the sciatica expert 21st clinic Kumasi ye wa overseas junction ha Alpha Radio ni ene ben so the almighty Sompa FM Sompa TV the washo ana 21st ewo form anope brey obuase your council quarters court junction ona behuyen enkran dia Tantra Hill ona behuyen Sunyane yo Sunyane teaching hospital Kane regional hospital ye ne first gate ni die nimhwe Madros abro sen ni mu a sa enso so na nkransa nkz ye boho obatechima ya Ojian Bank dan dadenim obehuyen ye behwe ho beto eye 21st clinic the sciatica expert anopai ebia oye film oye skit na peso twa na ye kama your professional cameras handlers or videographers or ho ma beni ye ebi kra wanya idea no unim how to create it your creative directors ho idea no wo tinu pese ye ntwero a ye wona wa beni a wombetwero ade agu forma de amount afei otim so script no aye kama na afei ona okro no anopa bo mmode yen na onso so bra RSYD no video studio ye program be na person transmit ko afidi 10 time so a live streaming nyina ye 057 471 5778 your studio wa state of the art facility a bibia di be ye movie skete be kama 030 397 4822 030 397 4822 057 471 5778 your malama biase first Kokoko street RSYD Novage Studios and make come for them bray na yen create something extraordinary together Arapaya beja for be atenase General Buhari atenase Arapaya jinama the new patriotic party NPP enso ewo hanom na anopay ye hwe ni mu se lawyers ba be jinama NDC na yede nkomoni nyina enso ahyehye so Facebook ne Sompa 93.1 or like o share no leave comment no e wase WhatsApp ni TST ni 050 948 050 943 8500 050 943 8500 na also so the message WhatsApp afa honum ye beje ni akenkan enso ede amount General Buhari anope mache
Nkwantabisa meje oso
General na umpom te say
nyankopon adomti me ho ye even though say ahotre na mu ye twinto ye bills na de nanso so nyame kraye mu enti etimi ekoba enti yeda seda ebema twedi ampo nyankopon Nkwantabisa wada horma na asane be hwedwumadi na ase no mikrum offensive South constituency Nkwantabisa de bia mo TV station o be part of escra aha na de bia TV station eda o Sompa no omohwe ma memfa nchia sonko pa enko offense South constituency enchia party for nyina na me no kese ya pick forms wa ya go into the constituency elections na ye chairman Josala in 2024 they be amekase enye papa no strategies any how oye unifier anka ebia yelusu ye sitting even to the NDC ono na nante so nkrofo na o maye se bibita bring omina on board Emma party no etimi ekonenim na o ne battalions ye deputy secretary menyaba Ernestina youth organizer ordinary Gazali menyaba anti Becky Ofa Tanko Mr. Gambra and so ba for treasure any afufra omaka JU communications director any afufra omaka omuna eba abeboa chairman Josala ama yede offense MPP no ejina brane ne bi party no ejina yi etelipai omuna so agebra omo etiewo mede entia sonko ema wo munyina na masa sre offense police station executives and say danudru hone ekoto aba na nkrofo mabo omudin omomodin no omonto aba no mfama wo mo sene be ya offense befa no ntoma pa ediefra chama Josala ene nkrofo nyina ene party fo nyina ene all electoral coordinators and pay midin chia soronko ema munyina.
All right, benem se next month 11th more about 3 days for all constituency say almost be form forms ana bato no ebe koso enti ofa clear ken mo me panel na mo band de mo bo adwuma ne sra mo ana omu na adwuma den a mo bodo mo nto aba ma omu na enyama enkoye. We said they have really said
offer chrome.
Yes, offer clear.
He's good
and
to go.
And so called Menshia South. Yes, offer clear Eco Youth organizer. Na I think say Ken so called communications.
We wish them all the best.
Sir team Nidia Obi Oba Bia Yesoneso and San Umaba.
Obi Oba Odo insurance what takes you.
Me endorse you.
Prophet Nkwantabisa.
The upper idea of the code.
In fact, in a bro, no credit.
Isaac Darkon Esquire. Cancel out of pay my check.
Yeah, Nkwantabisa.
Then come to say,
when you go for that room,
you watch it.
Pa,
if you boko,
you go for dom. We be a boko pa. Me did say Monsomo hoye. Yamia say,
African way no. General because a bow.
I say more.
Wama value for money.
Yango pa sisa. Yango pa sisa.
Also, the parties who are by Mutino did better. Wash better. Yes, the case of Mopana.
So, maybe I do not confess to see. Maybe I do not confess to see. Yes.
ECOWAS court no. At this may say a year former Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Tokono the case no and the challenging process no around the removal as Chief Justice no in him how a shot na fe copy more the ECOWAS court na ECOWAS court tina say kwa probably remwa da fe omu aboagu said the lawyer for me ko mabo asem no agu sa enso so na chachuchikata lawyer chachuchikata kasa say ohwe NDC for send your mu 2 MPP for in 2024 a chese Ghana for MDC for funding ideas na mu buy no Ghana for so mu pa na nakokunso akasa for senior high school enim say enchani e call word drug day na mu identity in Ashanti region ha ado mu che say udru senior high school kwada ni be wa yen discipline akwada yan bono ni ade a ti di nyina asoso akoka bom amenuro mu fani ti kwada ni bebre kroma de as a hunu na ekoso because of five drone say hunu say the teacher ni de obey bia no ye no enti eno so ya ade anope ye behwe into the future for yembei also so any nuanom kitwe eho General Buhari mame fa na kok for de no en chance because it's on education no yemfa no chance anope
All right, Nkwantabisa. My main son Fanchashon Kuma, what tea for ina ne omaje ebre. And now to pay omo 80 ujumadi. Na drugs ho asem de. Na say nkoma ehu hia pa. Free say ya hwena ya ntu ho anamon na ye koswa emma sebim producer. Drugs no flooded into the state. Na ye mobulu no a ye no ye ndo omo so say omo na ye the future leaders no. Omo koso abuse drugs at this tender age. What it means is say your mind no any dachi and I can say any future. Because se mobulu na omo no ye the future leaders it means say e wo say ye hwe say ye better te wo mo nyamisu kwan so. No omo nyimi e wo nyamisu e kwan so na omo be ye panyimpa. Now, prayer, it is very, very alarming and disturbing. Oko into your communities. Ene sebi enkromoa. Ubedru emofra enkrom anka omo age between the age of 15, 16, 17. Now omo abuse drugs. And that drug abuse in a way about by fashion. And then mofra no obia sebi prayer obi enumbia omonumbi as abeye fashion na onum mimpa as we do when yeden woninti. Now Nkwantabisa, the question is nakok for what are they doing to streamline and again omo ye say omo block it say enubone emma omanimu ana enubone emfri omanimu enko baby yesano Nkwantabisa seven producer obeti nubone asemwa na e radio so when you see mpo sebi umfa ehumbi meni okase ameti hen enubone e kan wasem yi se nye TV no ye yi news na mehu a me mfa mani hu bi da ba ene enubone na ba be ye common to the extent say akwada mpo seven producer etimi kotobi di kana no e be din sem hunu se ne wo kan ene ehunu nyoma esise wo ye schools mu mo fanto tofe watimi titiche ni ebono for whatever reason. Me necessary o mani da wa o metima ye sane me na omoye. But media ye won conform me duty bearers. Ye won conform ye tua wo moka so o protect your jurisdiction with regards to drugs, and that is nakok. But in Nkwantabisa me no we say nakok they are not doing the best. As someone in the wa, yeah, cancel it here. The current narcotic leadership, they are not doing as expected of them. And let's send them prayers. Yeah, Ghana, acquire the gateway of drugs. Yeah, they can find drugs and Colombia, say the Mexico drug once more. But in Ghana, not drug a petri.
I didn't know fire money. We are not getting the best out of them.
On 9th April 2026, there was a vessel, I refer my MV Sankofa vessel. Some vessel, an American shipy, yet chase our ship in Senegal. This vessel, now it was carrying drugs. This vessel, to Frigana. Before a vessel will be loaded, you best scan it before a movie. Vessel no every Ghana jurisdiction. Security, the narcotic in charge of drugs. Oman to know determine say the vessel was carrying drugs until it was arrested in Senegal. Now we are also saying with that of the Australian case. $300 million worth of drugs in Ghana. And Nkwantabisa, we have the systems, your equipment, your machine are you detecting say who load this ship you make sure say you are loading Ade Akye Abia progress and you illegal. Nkwantabisa, nakok for what are they doing? All loading drugs in Ghana until omudu Australia. Ship way free Ghana ye load no yes can you before you load you didn't again to me determine said there was a drug that is worth $300 million on the ship. So when you come on, you be a man. It means quite an NDC MPP. If you am a cast and me say, "Come for 1 year or 2 of my mo and I'll take room." What can say room and more about him be? You are in your room, come out fear for no money. So we need to hold the duty bearers accountable. It is a drug air flooding the streets, your communities. Now, let's have the more front of access to drugs. It means NACOC should be up and doing. NACOC should be up and doing. This is not NDC MPP matter. This is about making Ghana great again. It is what there is. Cases no any baby no SCC with regards to drugs. But you best say NACOC for say. Try say. You better you know nkuma for no. You better almost so say. Almost so die. Omo make sure. So omo block na omo makwan emma drugs and flood your mind no. Every say you can't say Mr. 7 Pedrosa. You say sebo akomeka abana ndo ya lajia. Na nche say akura for no mu yere. Enko playground. And you too nkwan for sebo omo take drugs no. See it me block na they don't get access to it. And not automatically about
the porosity of your bodies.
Exactly.
Not cock alone.
Yes, so
it's about orientation. So I come out from school and all that. So just as you said.
And I make catch up say, yeah, trust me 2 women for no. The authorities in charge. The authorities. And I make the duty bearers now. And my mouth 2 instances. Yes, the borders all plays part. But Mesina could forcefully say. Woman need to show Sompa say or more handle these drug issues. And I'm a one.
That is true.
And that's the reason why I'm not paying me so or my son. Number 2 or my say. Maybe or what you know more maybe or more da. Or more sorry.
Alright.
So or more da or more sorry. No making sure say on my Ghana na yes on my crow Ghana no. E be sa to afa to papa efra.
General. As Isaac. So NACOC and drugs, as you say, I think that when we were in senior high school, that time SSS. Now you sadiano. So we say enkwada in a broad daylight. Now kwada we tofe ni sa nyoman di do monum. Am I indiscipline? No better school for enkwada no man could repu omu colleague, especially miss school no omu ko inter colleges are in DAC. These are things say what direct link to drugs and sign discipline school. Holistically, how do you approach this?
Okay, Kwame Nkwantabisa anopay meda wasiwa kwanya wori amame na edikan no mede enchia sonko ama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama gonje ni de hie sonko anya mede ndie ni nyansa atom no de Ghana man ahye ne nsa odo akoma pa ebu o man no chia Asante Regional Chairman Nana Kwesi Regional Minister chia sonko pa nkoma me boss King Zuba KMA. He's doing fantastic within the Ashanti region. Eradin Koswa Ishano afe menua Patrick Opoku Fofie Pato ono ye Kwabri East Constituency organizer na aban bap aban nyaso no so no national apprenticeship Ashanti region one da no nap na we say the juma we see bo and say the man youth no enya eni daso ewo adwuma mu no a na yebeka se waya ade enti eni so ahye nkran ama sesi no o sa eko as Ashanti regional organizer. Okay. Enti no ebe so a think say obeba na woni ma be din komo enso wa hanum say he's doing fantastic. Metia no anopai na machia Kwabri East fuoni na especially the delegates menura na yesterday the vetting ewo Kwabri East hanum say enti enura ehwa vetting ni bi eko so ewo honum for the election of branch executives nti no the mechanic say
anya wan ko hwe
me pacho osimanye dey
wan peke ayibia
there be we branches yedi kan branches ne dey na ansana me ko constituency secretary
and now can say no matter what come in pipe
yes you know yeah the need process na air connect all that we are seeking is it should be just and fair. The rules now part and guidelines no the buy you know. We are hoping say the constituency election committee will comply with the rules and regulations regarding the branch elections. No you would say omo baby a contest one of the meka say wow we djuma we ya won nkrofo kasa on betimi ato abana ma won enti no kwabri sifo me che obi bia adwumaden a obi anso yede ma party no na minua me ba asema da pono so me chia minua wotimi nchen me chia no say say enenka topic ne ye topic a ye bo hit a say enenka wa hit pa ba topic ne ye mo hit and we hit kwa hit in any way the mechanic say now if you baby near bedru baby you can drugs na many age say o can say yenye communication devoid of MPP and NDC said the Nkwantabisa wa address fan ya wote hey said the menu wa address kama ya etie me ba me fa mampontin ye bi koso e wo mampontin okay na udru ho a na wo hwe emabunu te say me ne wo na wo hwe sene wo masia ye wo mo ho na ebinum said wo masikra fa wo mo ho ne de wo mo ya sometimes ubusa ho say o mine future e wo henfa say o mabunu say ya na ke say o mine no e bo anu no na ekwan be so ne be fa so ama saa de wi so anu asie e be bremu na kokonko a there are so many security agencies. I don't want to even go there. So what here said the obey say what here egina tete ama me no papa de ma wo wonim sa efie ntete ya de ma wo no na wo san ko school nso a teacher ni nso ewa akwanya that time na me ko school me ka me teacher me fa na Robert Abakuri ya wo ayi bi na fa T square one who say na she box board me say me ye ebi a che ntime nkai technical skills and na we can na use wo na wodi agwase no T square ne bebo wo no to be discipline and then kwala be indiscipline because yen kan obi asem. I think that is the root cause. You elevated the freedom of child no akosra manaba be say afei parent kura ni any right to correct a child. What you say? So much elevation of the freedom of the child no amana be say as if say parent kura no does not even have right as far as the child is concerned. Ti akwala no dey start free fie kakran what they do school after yen san ko television programs nso ekoso Ghana ha mo me yin ko ne mebebe hu o programs ekoso TV so movies ayi movies ayi show e man kwala ehwe ni nyina ya de a enkwala ne peke bibi free mu radicalism na rascalism enkwala ne peke ni ma ni nyina bi e di free sa enema ya ekoso ewo media no so NC adwuma be no moye efano regulation and control of social media what you say enti we no yentimi apportion blame no emfa ma even the security agencies no nko awo yetimi na akwa ndi oho but I say the problem is the students students no and I am major concern. I don't know raise the alarm say eba na say na the students etuogu no bone so na omonum tama na yeko school no bone we who but you dare not ya ma kwa ma we stay by name student bi nko num do bone na teacher ni bi nko chine punish no me ni NDC and NPP eti hei e be fa ya na ma no nyesem ne ya se no na mo teacher ni na dwuma abɔ no ɛdo nti ama nkwala no school mu sɛ ni yɛn kan kwala bi asɛm nti media ɛka me nko de a sɛ yɛ pɛ sɛ yɛte enubɔne so ɛwɔ ɔman yi mu a 1 ejina awofoɔ so awofoɔ ntete yɛ a yɛde ma yɛma 2 ɛka me nko a yɛma teacherfoɔ kwan na ɔmo ntimi take control absolute control ɛwɔ nkwala no so absolute
ɛsɛ nkura yɛ mu omo
ana me kai because you can't because we be dey ana me just yeah time no na yɛ mu nkwala ni wo my me say me teacher ni Robert Abakuri wade teach square be bow discipline what you try to come from club be by now look at the youth yɛn quality obi yɛn ka obi asem nti he made reference to a student ono anya the zeal say wo tam teacher ni di na bofom asem ne ba go for no nyese ka court ni twema nka media ka mo discuss na different. I was holding a different view because video ne ba if you had analyzed the video very well you could see say this is a fight and you be a wo obi o by media ndi kan here teacher ni ne wo bu akwala na ya me say
disagree to that
me say sani ma we nyina no enna amaya baba be dru ba bi a ye dru in fact the Ghana Police Service ombayo de ombetumi o ombayo de ombetumi in any way nako ombayo de obetumi but ejinawo a wo ba ne ba ya wo ne ko secondary school no wo won kasa ye ne won teteye ene be che de oba ne ba be ye dey e ba be ye Timewa kan no as far as the dress are concerned.
Ma me na say lawyer. Na DJ Opedimo from Kumasi Swami. Ghanaians will reject NDC plan to extend the presidential term. Yes. MPP vision for progress will prevail in 2028. The NDC move is a desperate attempt to cling to power. NDC desperate attempt to cling to power. NDC record of poor governance that left Ghanaians disappointed. MPP's alternative agenda offers hope for a brighter future. I love MPP. Greetings to lawyer Chichi, Deputy Security Ashanti Region, Chairman Odino Kwakuapia, Santiman Kuka, Chairman Osu Bempa, Inshaya So, Nanabi, Honorable Napo, and JFK. Area member lawyer Hornea call Justice Arabatu Kononso any ECOWAS court in him, then we move from there. If the NDC likes this, they can go and bend the sea and eat a bag full of salt, but they will still lose the 2028 general election. If you use propaganda to win an election, reality will expose you. Why did you reduce electricity and water tariffs in April and increase them again in July? Is this not cost 90? Greetings to Honorable Mavis Nkansa Buadu, Santiman Koka and Dr. Napo. Starboy, watching the show live and clear at our Fumim Airport. Greetings, okay. Mamin ko me babe kan di haka no enso so ato aso. Lawyer Isaac. Ma yanko justice Arabato kono a case ni so. This is dismissal. The HSA ye kwamukra. Are you surprised from baby free ni baby ababidri on the former Chief Justice?
Yeah, Mesada wati for asibim. The American say, I am not surprised at all as far as the decision of the ECOWAS court is concerned. Because these are matters of international law. And then it raises issues bordering on international law. As far as international law, a kind international law, I remember treating me because me question. Or maybe I didn't know you're sovereign, or maybe I would to me. It's now maybe I won't ra or the bunny mine. And two bag Ghana had them say, Ghana Maya da honum, or mine to me pan. The 1992 constitution, me didn't me. What's a brepa? A breath for constitution, the 1992 constitution. And the supreme, a social BBA constitution. Now, fortunate for us, the constitution establishes the organs of government and establishes the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary, and spells out the functions of the organs of government into uba executive and the functions of constitution uba legislature, parliament, and functions of constitution and uba the judiciary and so on functions of constitution and that constitution na kasano esa make a provision for removing a person from certain position and uba that of the judiciary. Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution spells clearly and the procedure for removing a justice of the Supreme Court. So procedure na ebu hono no eno na encrophom yensa be petition ekoma o mampani say a former chief justice on stated grounds of misbehavior and incompetency grounds no they felt say she ought to be removed per the rules and per the constitution no, the president had to determine prima facie case, refer the matter to a committee for the committee to consider, and then the outcome of the committee is binding on the president. This is the constitution. And the committee determine the merit of the case. And omudu decision aba in accordance with the 1992 constitution. And then the constitution says such decision and a recommendation from the committee is binding on the president, and the president acts in accordance with that. So now me say, as far as the rules and the procedure for the removal of the chief justice is concerned, had there been any provision in the constitution that one yenye baby a president ebuso and answer the removal procedures no ebuso ana, the answer is no. And yet, baby anywhere, omubuso. So we are in a global world. And uba globally, the UN's charter are expecting out the fundamental human rights of human beings. And then uba Africa, African charter and also provision for fundamental human rights. And no na tokuno adwenye ne say the human rights as far as right to employment removal are concerned had been breached. Okay. And until invoke the jurisdiction of the ECOWAS court. In fact, Ghana is also a signatory to the ECOWAS treaty, and by convention we had signed the ECOWAS protocols, which mandates and gives jurisdiction. And then the ECOWAS protocols individuals within the state to invoke the jurisdiction of the court. Okay. Until a matimamuni kwine. So on also to me and can say under international law, states are only the subject of international law. But it has developed to a point here international organizations and even individuals can invoke as the same accord. But as some of the becon, it should border on fundamental human rights. Okay. So, any procedure na be removing in our or the matter before the ECOWAS court is not an appeal. Yeah. You cannot appeal to the ECOWAS court. It is a petition. I will invoke you say you na you na ye me no. Ye tietia me fa hodie so baby. Etimumra mehwe mu mame. Na mo hwe mu wi amoma wo man ne $10 million na mo nyi scan fanya dey.
On the violation of the right.
Yes. Na yenji $10 million emfama no. Enti Attorney General na nkrofo eso eye adwumaden. In any way, we can assemble court wa ye kan fie da bia na nche se wadi bem. Enti the ECOWAS court no, the issue that was before them to determine is whether or not in removing ye token of free no omani bu ne fundamental human right was yetiatia so ana eno nkwa na issue was na court ne kwa determine say yetiatia ne fa hodie so dia any in dia any na would deserve some sort of compensation.
Okay.
So they will have to inquire. And ordinarily, so person we invoke the jurisdiction of international body. Yani or principle be also exhaustion of local remedies. And ka was say if free o man ni nyina wa for procedure ni nyina and we answer na oba. But as far as the optional protocols to the ECOWAS treaty is concerned, no, and no sir exhaustion of local remedies na ubetimi invoke the jurisdiction of the ECOWAS court. Nti court no na court no ensa enchichire in determine the merit sovereign state. Omrapon man di bu man their constitution. Let's go and look at the constitution of Oman. What you say? Your correct constitution no. Na say you proceed ya na yedi ma me ne fa mu a yedi no. Say constitution ya busua. In any event, the fundamental human right to work, right to employment, either of them, whether same had been breached, the procedure, then they can order for any that's a compensation that day. And then the court look in and say no. The procedure was just, it was fair, and it does not breach any of her fundamental human right. Inti tia ne mra ne fa hodie bia eso inti no her prayer say court no award damages of $10 million no. Court ne ka che ne say sika no ye de manu a enye yie inti no the oman e kan say yetu no oman fa mra pon so ene tu no oman nti tia ne fa hodie so oman man akonya man yi ne ho ano in any way. Inti that is it. That is it.
Inti se opeso ko feda obetima sa accord the next level.
You see, there are so many courts as far as the international hierarchy are concerned. Even your ECOWAS court wo obetimi asa court, International Court of Justice. What you say? Today obetimi invoke the jurisdiction, but in any case court beyond the rules I apply, and in the mode of invoking the jurisdiction of the court. May in-depth knowledge because me international law or law school. What I say? This is my field. It's a court to be will proceed yes sir. Obefa they invoke the jurisdiction of the court. They say ECOWAS abagu. Say osa pese osa ekwen animu a. It is dismiss and implicita. Obetimi asa ko invoke the jurisdiction of another court elsewhere. What I say? Because Ghana is a signatory to the UN Charter.
Yeah. And
then the protocols to the UN Charter, no, the jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court, no, we are not excluded from same. But who could invoke that court jurisdiction on what basis? Because under the UN Charter, no, before you can even invoke the jurisdiction of the court, that is International Court of Justice, no, you need to have exhaust local remedies. And then she is raising issue of breach of fundamental human right. And then the constitution has stated that say obi or na or allege say the fundamental human right ya breach here. Any party should start the action from the high court. Which case she hasn't done that. When raising any issue burden on her fundamental human right to high court. After say high court, high court now passes through to court of appeal and then Supreme Court. Now when they satisfied with the decision as far as her fundamental human rights are concerned, now she may have appealed to the International Court of Justice. Okay. In this case, she hasn't done that. Oh yes, sir.
And she being a lawyer and at the point in time, judges paying, knowing what is right and what is needed of her. Now when you and consuming all this, then move to ECOWAS. And people want to say, is it because of what?
Also, I may say ECOWAS the other day. She does not need to exhaust local remedies.
Okay, but international.
But so person will call International Court of Justice there. Exhaustion of local remedies is a compulsory requirement. Okay. In any way, who raise the issue? We say she being Justice of the Superior Court. May Wazimbi America say in this world, no one is an encyclopedia of the law. The law is there. What I say? But as the saying had been, the best lawyers are those who knows where to find the law. It is about knowing where to find it. You understand? Ain't you know? Men to men can say, a star. Obi on no more. Well, na some you do. But what make us a young court? What I say? A young court. Yeah, dear seminar. I won't say, oh, that other party no. Why am from so baby? No, I found now they are winning case. What I say? Into when I call the procedure really. Young fa abasubodi asronko e ma attorney general na nkrofo say nko man fa response ankwa and can summary judgment would have been entered against for minor to pay 10 million to her and the attorney general for why are there.
All right, that's it. Buhari to no buy na say as a party na mo tane chipa say that you bia baby aka e ECOWAS court order na say open your musu decision.
Okay, Nkwantabisa. Ebiem amefa ncha shronko. Emma the next Ashanti Regional Chairman Odino Kwapia. Mechia face Manika Anchiano. Odina Woda just last 3 days or so. Me wish happy belated birthday. Na mensancha ni youth incoming youth commander Ashanti Region Martin Amiao. Omonchia na medema omo. Nkwantabisa me call straight to to kono enkomo no na okasa na MPP for ne eternity pa enye MPP as a political but ne eternity se na osi hu no but you see epe attempting it doesn't matter because ono no onye politician and onye card bearer member of the MPP now so say feel say obi chinchim obi nsa we will come in to protect and defend such a person even say ko ye ndi senia I can be the same thing, man. If it's a way Ghana, if it's a way Ghana, Billy opinion Casa on the lawyer ni into a problem seminal swa, the international law, the Aquaba. Made me lawyer and me didn't offense so. To be different on common. Nkwantabisa Obisamia. Ma many year John Dramani Mahama, the president, a union, basically every chance.
Based on petition. No one is sorry, so we all know the law.
I'm going to give you some precedents. Now, me bomb say, "Ne oye me na no onye me biom." Inti men in 10 times. Now, the president John Dramani Mahama, even time in opposition, nobody can cancel. And some no etre and say, "Oba ba emu a, ordinance ebeka judiciary." Ni see you know. To me, it was a mere coincidence. Mami Mount, some 2, 3, 4 examples. Now, in August 2022, John Dramani Mahama in opposition was shot in this lawyer for. Now, all we didn't come on catch almost say Ghana judiciary a bare butt of jokes. That's a Ghana judiciary no. A bare sebe a jokes as a bare a goodie. Asamoah John Dramani Mahama back in Okache in this lawyer form. Now, Hona Okwene or refer to a year the Supreme Court as the unanimous FC. This was John Dramani Mahama back in opposition. Mido Kwenim or Sanso State CBM say Ghana, you judiciary no. It is broken. It is not a judiciary na kasa na bra in this opposition no was it judiciary no ebubu enti ejuma kasa was say no entumi nya sa ejuma no. This is akon John Dramani Mahama me come nimbium me intentem so in March 2022 Joma Masako share eye NDC for ena okakere wo mo say now oman nu judge for ko di asema empempi omu di asema and town come NDC for. And is the reason why Oko Supreme Court for unanimous FC bra 2020 omoko court wa court no etuna semgu say onimi na so bia etuna semgu ya. Now in September 2023 oya sequential wa koso wa bo judicial service no wa bo machia onto so baba mu. Nite mi ka say pam maame no enye mo wa fisi no dika kam yati September 2023 ena Mahama accuse a year MPP aban say yen no ya make the judicial system no ya making it political. This according to drama. Owi no okachire NDC a lawyer for say omum prepare omum no munye krado na oba aban mu a afei de wono de Ghana judicial no or the NDC lawyer for any baby judges. Oh, na jana me kan kire usia. Why nzi? Ma me kan bro for me. Ti be me kan twi na wan ase. September 2023. According to Mahama, or say Mahama accused
because
modern Ghana. Okay, you can cross check it. Or say Mahama accused the Akufo-Addo administration of packing the judiciary with MPP sympathizers. And John Dramani Mahama, the president, urged NDC lawyers to prepare for appointment. Bafu Boni, the current Chief Justice.
So this is not a verbatim quote. This is
according to
Anna paraphrase.
No, just what John Obama said. Abra Oshia and lawyer for.
In what you read, or any quote.
This what Mahama said during Bra Oshia wom. Enti me Mahama catch the NDC lawyer for say. Munya krado. Me ba muna mede mo baba judiciary adwuma no. Ampa oba mu just 3 months you swearing in April and opam or suspended Chief Justice Jukono. Now the question you say you want to say
opam na no suspending and now based on
in April or suspending in April. Now or suspending man no. Now I come back to this say this is a man na or catch a brow opposition. Say oba aban mu a ono de or the NDC a lawyer for and eba be adwuma as judges. Now, many workers say ampa and okranokre John Mahama bae no the president with all due respect wa politicizing the judicial system.
Oh, Kwame so.
Politicizing judicial system. Na enuntia and ampa obaye ofa konia saso because nobody can make a hint obaye na ampa suspend the Chief Justice and or the buffo boni anko for no be susu say odumpo NDC ni. Some people perceive him to be an NDC member. Me no can say ubusam ze kwan bae so and okranokre John Dramani Mahama so wa appointing a year 65 judges in the first 10 months in 2025. 65 judges and the president John Dramani Mahama appointed him. Fashion with things that he had already made a promise. Say Oba Ghana judge for obey NDC for Kwana Aba judge for. And we believe said these 65 judges no they are all NDC members. Asama papa na kan in the position no and one year to hu. Em de se ubusa me say me ka say afede judicial system no policy no ubusa me say kwan be so. Say mama first example. Say oba kan na anu ye. Em de se dem lawyer at here. The basis of the 1992 Constitution was the equality before the law. Because there is a new court one. So also what chairman or what for chairman no sika chairman. You could not marry anymore. You see now you dying. You pet. But so okay. Chairman Buffer brought the case. Circuit Court 8.
You don't wrap here.
Judge.
You know when you contempt you.
ODSM, only contempt. Judge ODSM. Judge ODSM. Believing in the basis of the 1992 Constitution. Equal to the animal's farm. Inequality before the law. You can't the animal farm, I'm footy. Sabe, and more ebisu chebi. Enti na sebot mi tie opromu are no. Maybe no. But you buy a nipa mo and not the framers of the 1992 Constitution. Or more the same say ye na you do anima ye pet. But and we had a judge with all due respect. Oh, to seven previous inequality and more some and the big judges said in the case. And clearly, and let me tell you, you didn't go to court to her. Young farming court medical before because NDC for the catch up medical before.
All right.
And this is happening now. Kwame wrap it up no.
Oh. Wow.
Me wrap it up no. It's your best. Okay, to me wrap it up. It's your best say. Your best NDC for say. Millionaire Casano or stating on arms of government. A beer should be independent. You best say the executive, the president, and the government. You best say. Understand no judicial 8 million adwuma ema yina no 7 peduasa yenya sumdua ye hwe no
the executive for more institution so the judiciary so I understand.
And that's the reason why I feel kwanya so the chief justice Eddie Bafoboni feel say he aligned with them.
It was petition and it passed through the process, so now ECOWAS sees no violation with that.
Was it coincidence say Mahama Kano bla opposition so oba this Apwa and Oba in 3 months on a petition? It is planned, and we know it is planned.
Council OBBK.
Yeah, may OBBK credit just to repart maybe a water. Me say, your co, your ba, your mammy, a pena, your betiaco, your buy. Namaba, they are betting Nkwantabisa. Tiu, they are betting Nkwantabisa. Na you been Nkwantabisa for court. Na you not dance here soon. It's young Nkwantabisa. What you say? Na you go Nkwantabisa for. Oh, I dance here the buy so. And Nkwantabisa so want to say what Thomas.
There so Michael.
Nkwantabisa so want to say what Thomas na free Ghana. Ade Akye could do international level. Yasa abu asem negu ne nyina echi no me nipa bonefo e che say en sama na even said the all cano assume without admitting en sama na all cano say asem a even NDC kan impo a NDC was justifiable in saying that because in any event NDC buy no a petition was presented and when the petition was referred to a committee consisting of justices of the Superior Court one one for no bench e ka hu mienu eno mu determine here. And then they concluded that, in fact, why? And then, Mamenka baby, their constitution, arms of government, and also my checks and balances. And it is as a result of checks and balances, our constitution. And then Abua, Ama yet to me, Ama Ababedu baby, we do ya. Probably an echo swear hono. Yet me in a day.
Thank you.
Free ho.
0548931931 0554931931. Hello, good morning.
Junior,
Marvin Tio.
Manso, I'm talking to Shokonkra. My chairman, still maintain chairman. I went to Santamania now, Coca, women here, investments are also called communication officer, mentioned of departments of Kahobu, and labels chief original DKM in term organizer. And I mean, and some are also Ghana, honey. Judicial in fact, sometimes I know who be hard. That's NBC, you can be because I now because of content, not content about me, but the making now we achieve justice. Not the a buying penny for the number one on the more as an agency, I see a baby and penny 40, NBC 40, chief justice, all and now no me last time, US be a vice president, Gina, and I don't pay Fidjan. I want to chief justice Fidjina. I don't know when you need to Kakra. I could say, opposition party, and some Baho, not who is the talk more. Yeah, you're going to say, be a fairness, because I say, maybe on the number. Someone call for a power, what do you need to it's the best chief justice say, one fan of a beer, a very neutral class, and a very Ghana for being ready.
That's it. Barbara, yana many messages, na yanya messages in Mrena. Yes, I suppose for any Barbara Coons a World Cup season in India, almost season into 1 year. But for birthdays in it also. For birthdays in it also, myself, remember an answer. For birthdays in it also. Direct. For birthday in it also. Okay. Happy birthday, Louise, Janet, Lois, Janet, Atta. Happy birthday to Lois, Janet, Atta. From your mother, Francisca Owusu, and sister Helena. So, Janet, Oma me, and auntie Muse, Oma, happy birthday. Omu se Nyankopon shra at the mount. Omu se Nyankopon bobrohu at the mount. Omu se Nyame se. obemwa nyina be panyin kese pa. Eti Janet Kaination say mommy loves you so much. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Lizzie, sports journalist as Ghana Man TV from Sir Wisdom, some passports. So Lizzie, happy birthday, beautiful. This is a prospect that we have in journalism. You say, I miss on for nru, nkon for nru baby a krompa. Nyame amwa kuma so ade nyina emrem. Baby awafa no sa field no. Eya na eye male dominated. Enti minim se nyame de ubewure makopa. Oh, and nanom ye hwe DSTV and Janet mo bawu am. Oh, I was so happy. Say World Cup ojinam nyame fa nko Abia no ate. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Abigail Yabua. Abigail Yabua, a nurse at 21st Clinic, Accra branch from Nana Safu Kantanka, Sompa Accra. Nasafu. Ona ade birthday baye. Enti ukopɛ de o Tantra Hill. Oh domi. Enti enya ba Abigail, nurse papa bi. Happy birthday to you. Oba so no oba ho fedua. Yesɛ nyame so obo akoma so ade nyina embrem. A very hard working young lady, a beautiful one, of course. Happy birthday, Abby. Enjoy this day. And a happy birthday, so Enkoma Sandra na Tepeno from Ohineba Julie. So now today is your birthday. Sandy, glorious birthday to you. Say nyame on mani mobro huno enkoso enye kese also. Fradumu kwa dumu. Yes, happy birthday. Sandy, enjoy this day. Memfa way Engram, a glorious birthday to you. Today is your birthday. We are wishing a very special birthday. Gifty Echa Ofori. Gifty Echa Ofori. Happy birthday to you. And I would day Nyame Fonsi Bia a crown na Nyame mo akoma so ade enso emrem. Enjoy this day to the fullest. Cheers to another year. On that note, young for so many is your friend Kwame Nkwantabisa, Amanfo Nkwantabisa, lawyer Isaac, General Buhari. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us to serve. Nyame boa ochina Friday Kwame Jako betnase. Na yenyina ya beka woni asom omen. Nyame show don't them show. Nyame nyo kese kopim so be kese pa. Na yankoye na odi ache nipa ho adwuma de koye na de aseda ba Nyankopon. Mbapa. The voice you can never reject. The domineering, the indefatigable sports host Adopay Emba etna na kunyam. Na wasum World Cup ne koso. Te feel any na contempt ntimi nche no ho. Or the